Naturally, improving your eyesight, a guide to better vision. Have you ever imagined what it would feel like to wake up one day and no longer need your glasses? To open your eyes and see the world clearly without reaching for those frames or fumbling with contacts? But what if I told you there's a way to naturally support and even improve your eyesight over time? What if you didn't have to resign yourself to the idea that your vision can only get worse as you age? For most of us, the story has always been the same. You get your first pair of glasses or contacts, and every year, the prescription just keeps getting stronger. You might have been told by your eye doctor that it's just genetics, or that aging makes declining eyesight inevitable. And so, we accept it. We settle into the idea that blurry vision is just something we have to live with. But let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered if there's another way? What if glasses weren't your only option? Imagine halting the progression of your vision problems, or better yet, reversing them, through natural, simple changes in your daily life. Wouldn't that be worth exploring? Our eyes are incredible organs. They allow us to experience the beauty of the world, from a sunrise to the smile of a loved one. But they're also under constant stress. Think about your daily routine. How much time do you spend staring at screens? Whether it's a computer, a phone, or even a TV, all that blue light puts strain on your eyes. Then there's artificial lighting, pollution, and even stress from poor diet or lack of sleep. Over time, these factors take a serious toll. But here's something you might not know. Your eyes are more resilient than you think. They have a remarkable ability to repair and protect themselves if you give them the right care. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Together, we'll uncover natural ways to nourish and support your eyes, from the foods you eat to the habits you can build into your routine. Now, I want you to imagine something. Picture a future where you no longer feel dependent on your glasses, where your eyes feel less strained, where you have clearer vision, and where you feel more in control of your eye health. That's what we're aiming for, and it all starts with understanding the small, powerful changes you can make today. Let's start with something simple: herbal teas. Did you know that certain teas can do wonders for your vision? Let me share a few of the best ones. Green tea is at the top of the list. It's loaded with antioxidants like catechins, which fight oxidative stress, a major factor in aging and eye diseases like cataracts and glaucoma. Studies have even shown that green tea can reduce eye pressure, which is critical for preventing glaucoma. Drinking just 1 or 2 cups a day can have a noticeable impact. And if caffeine isn't your thing, don't worry. Decaffeinated green tea still has plenty of antioxidants to offer. Now, let's talk about chamomile tea. You might already know it for its calming properties, but did you know it's fantastic for your eyes? Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties, making it great for soothing eye strain and irritation. If you spend hours in front of a screen, a warm cup of chamomile tea can be your best friend. And here's a little tip. After brewing, let the tea bags cool and place them over your eyes for a relaxing, spa-like treatment. Another incredible option is fennel tea. Fennel is known for improving blood circulation, and that includes circulation to your eyes. Better circulation means your eye tissues get more oxygen and nutrients, which can help prevent conditions like macular degeneration. Plus, fennel is packed with antioxidants that protect your retina from damage. And let's not forget blueberries. Blueberry tea, or even just fresh blueberries, can be a game changer. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes. They've been shown to improve night vision and help prevent cataracts and glaucoma. Whether you drink the tea, eat the fruit, or add it to a smoothie, your eyes will thank you. Surprisingly, peppermint tea also makes the list. It's excellent for improving eye circulation and relieving pressure, which is especially important if you're concerned about glaucoma. But teas are just the beginning. Your eyes also need key vitamins and nutrients to stay healthy. Vitamin A is essential. It helps your retina function properly and is especially important for night vision. You can find it in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. And if you prefer supplements, just be careful not to overdo it, as too much vitamin A can be harmful. Then there's lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids act like natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting your retina. You'll find them in leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as in egg yolks. Studies show that taking 10 milligrams of lutein and 2 milligrams of zeaxanthin daily can significantly lower your risk of macular degeneration. Omega-3 fatty acids are another must-have. They're amazing for combating dry eye disease and reducing inflammation. You can get omega-3 from oily fish like salmon, or you can opt for a high-quality fish oil supplement. Look for one that contains at least 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA, the active forms of omega-3. Vitamin C and E are also essential. Both are powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from oxidative stress. Vitamin C is especially good for preventing cataracts, while vitamin E helps maintain the health of your eye cells. You can find these vitamins in citrus fruits, nuts and seeds, or in a good multivitamin. Don't forget zinc. This mineral helps your body absorb vitamin A and supports the health of your retina. Foods like beans, nuts, and shellfish are excellent sources of zinc. Beyond teas and supplements, there are simple habits you can adopt to boost your eye health. Have you heard of the 20-20-20 rule? Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And don't underestimate the importance of sleep. Your eyes need rest to recover from the day's stress. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Always wear sunglasses when you're outside to protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. And stay hydrated. Dry eyes can often be a sign that your body needs more water. As promised, here's a special recipe to nourish your eyes from within. Blend together 1 cup of spinach for lutein and zeaxanthin, half a cup of blueberries for antioxidants, half an orange for vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for omega-3, and 1 cup of almond milk for vitamin E. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness if you like. This smoothie isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients your eyes will love. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to your eye health? Have you tried any of these tips before? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And of course, subscribe for more natural health advice. Together, we can take control of our well-being and keep our eyes vibrant and strong. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.